The loan modification capabilities of the software, as you'll come to see, are second to none. To enter the Loan Modification Center, click the icon for loans at the bottom left of the honeycomb roadmap, and click the red Loan Modification gavel up top. The Loan Modification Center allows you to enter borrower and co-borrower information, with borrower information automatically being imported. You can enter parameters for your client's first, second, or even third current mortgages, and compare them to proposed mortgages. You can also analyze property values and financial situations. First, let's take a look at income and expenses. Broker price opinions, or BPOs, can be checked to verify you have a good appraisal. Of course, you have all the most important forms and letters required in the loan modification business. Application forms with automatically populating information. Client document checklists. Letters can also be edited to fit your needs. Client and lender benefit analyses. Selected or all of these forms can be emailed or printed. You can also work using the Home Affordable Modification Program, or HAM. Click on HAM will display all the fields necessary to successfully evaluate the client's situation and determine eligibility for modification under the HAM program. Links to brief and complete versions of the HAM laws are provided. The status of your client can even be uploaded to your website so the client can view their status 24/7. Clicking FTP will upload your progress status notes. Optionally, you can choose to send a link to the report to the client or even to your salesperson. Now that you've seen what the software can do for loan modifications, wait till you'll see what it can do for your business in general. Keeping contact with your prospects and customers is the key to success for any business. Behind the Loan Modification Machine is a powerful CRM. Let's see how it can be made to work for your business. You are now on the main screen. It may seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, it's actually a lot simpler than it looks, and with a little time, you'll be whizzing around with ease. Let's analyze the different areas of the main screen. At top left are the top navigation buttons. This area contains shortcuts to some of the most popular areas of the software. On the left of the screen is the Contact Information pane. This pane has information about the currently displayed contact, information such as name, address, city, email, website, keywords, etc. Down at the bottom, there are several tabs containing more information related to the contact. For example, detailed notes, history, documents, emails, invoices, and progress status. Honeycomb area in the middle of the main screen holds shortcuts for other areas of the software, such as marketing and analysis areas. On the right, there is a Groups pane used for creating groups of contacts. Lastly, at the bottom is a Record Navigation module. This is one of the many ways you'll be browsing or retrieving contacts. In summary, the main screen is really composed of smaller pieces. Top navigation buttons, basic contact information, notes and details, the contact record navigator, management boxes, and a roadmap for getting to other areas. Here, we're going to add a new contact to our database. To add a new contact, click the green Add button at the top left of the screen. Let's type some basic information about this contact. Also, let's add a note by clicking the green Add button down in the Notes tab. And now we have a new contact in our database. We can delete him later if needed with the red minus button. Importing contacts from Excel and other formats is a simple task of lining up fields from the source format to its destination in the software. Suppose we had an Excel file with contacts and information we wanted to import. Open up the software and enter the Setup section. Clicking the Import/Export tab will display the Import option. Here, we're importing contacts. Select the Excel file from where we wish to import contacts. The last step is to align the fields from the Excel file on the left to the matching fields of the program on the right. So first name should be lined up with first name, company should be lined up with company name, etc. Any extra information can go in user-defined fields. You can choose to import all records or only a subset. And now we have the contacts in our database, with information in the right places, ready to be worked on.